So it's Wednesday, the 11th of December 2024, and this is the first video of the new project, the new commission. So I thought I'd introduce you to a game of chance, and I'm going to be playful with this game of chance. So let me explain. I have been commissioned to create two very, very big panels. This is the owl here, and this is the fox. And basically, let's see if I can bring this in a bit more. No, maybe not. So basically, what I'm doing are two 300 by 163 centimetre panels. So in old money, or in American money, it's 10 feet by 5.5 feet each. And I've called it the game of chance because there's a pun with the name Chance. So Chance Brothers, back in the Victorian times, created a whole load of different glass related items that were used in lighthouses, on clock faces, all glass related. So I've done some project planning, and you've got here Portland Bill, and the glass was the lens that was used on Portland Bill and very many lighthouses around the world was bespoke created by the Chance Brothers. The other thing that they created was the clock face for Westminster Palace, which is often called Big Ben. So I've got a section here, and I have a little plan that I'm going to make a huge moon that is the centre part of the clock face, and I might put a silhouette of the Westminster Palace as well. So there's all sorts of bits and bobs and lots of different ideas and influences. So on this one, on the owl, it's going to have lots of heritage related items such as Crystal Palace as well. So iconic images, really. Line drawings that would then be used in, which I'm going to use stained glass perhaps, because glass was an important part in the architectural leaded lights that the Chance Glass did as well. And then on the fox, I'm going to have lots of ways. It's going to be a funky fox. So I'm going to use all sorts of homeware, glassware used for domestic settings, such as perhaps the handkerchief vases. Now I'm thinking maybe I'll make them into funky flowers around him. And then I've got all sorts of different patterns. And in fact, yesterday I was very, very lucky in that I acquired 2 plates, Grantley glassware, which I'm going to find a third one. I've got one in my garden to make, that I've made into a flower, but I'm thinking of literally putting these into the panels, the mosaic once I've got them in, literally gluing them in and being part of a background. So there's going to be sort of glassware. So there's lots and lots of plans and ideas, and it's all very exciting right now. So I'm thinking designs and what to put into the mosaics. So when I say funky flowers, for example, I've got ideas like the lotus image, and I might be projecting this onto the fox as well. So before I get on to using the Marmox board for the mosaic making, I've got to figure out what I'm going to do next. So that's the plan so far. I don't think I've omitted anything major. I'm thinking of putting some line, sort of committing to line drawings, but I keep on wavering in that. So what I'm intending to do is print out a few designs and ideas and then get on with placing them in the space as well, and getting all my tables out and working higher up. So it's Caroline Jerrywaller, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon. Bye.